As the morning started, a man walking down the street noticed something that caught his attention. A mother cat was moving slowly along the sidewalk, looking extremely tired and weak. Her fur was messy and her body showed clear signs that she had not eaten proper food for many days. Despite her poor condition, there was something in her movements that showed she was determined to keep going. The man felt worried about her condition and decided to follow her quietly. He wanted to understand where she was heading and if she needed help. The mother cat walked steadily until she reached an old car parked on the side of the road. She disappeared underneath it, and the man carefully looked to see what was happening. What he found under the car made him feel very sad. There were small kittens huddled together in the cold space beneath the vehicle. They looked hungry and scared, staying close to each other for warmth. The mother cat had brought some old food scraps that she had found somewhere, but the food looked spoiled and dirty. The kittens were trying to eat it because they were so hungry, but it was clearly not safe for them. The man knew he had to do something immediately. He always carried a small bag with him that contained cat treats and a water bottle because he often helped street animals he met during his daily walks. This habit of being prepared had helped him rescue many animals before, and today it would make a big difference again. He gently removed the bad food from in front of the kittens and replaced it with fresh, soft treats from his bag. The mother cat was hesitant at first, but when she smelled the good food, she started eating. As she ate, her tired eyes seemed to get brighter and more alert. The man also gave her clean water to drink, and she drank it eagerly, showing how thirsty she had been. Seeing that the mother and kittens needed more help, the man decided to go back to his home to get better food and supplies. He told them he would return soon and walked quickly to his house. When he came back with more food and fresh water, he heard soft sounds coming from near the car. Looking more carefully, he discovered there were more kittens hiding in different spots around the area. These hidden kittens had been too scared to come out when they saw a stranger, but now they were making small sounds because they could smell the food. The man moved very slowly and spoke in a gentle voice to avoid frightening them. One by one, he carefully picked up the scared kittens and brought them to where their mother was waiting. When the mother cat saw all her babies together again, her behavior changed completely. She seemed much happier and more relaxed now that her whole family was safe in one place. The man gave her a full meal so she would have enough strength to take care of all her kittens properly. She ate everything he offered, clearly needing the nutrition after so many days of finding only scraps. Before leaving that day, the man made an important promise. He told the cat family that he would come back every single day to bring them food and water until they were all healthy and safe. This kind of commitment is what makes a real difference in animal rescue work. The mother cat seemed to understand his kindness, and for the first time in a long while, she appeared to feel hopeful about the future. Her kittens were now getting the nutrition they needed, and they had found someone who cared about their well-being. This story shows us that being a hero does not require special powers or training. Sometimes it just means paying attention to animals in need and taking action to help them. The man in this story represents the kind of person we should all try to be, someone who notices when others are suffering and does something about it. If you think this man deserves to be called a true hero for his kindness and dedication to helping this cat family, share your ideas for names for the kittens and subscribe to see more amazing rescue stories that will warm your heart.